Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today we're talking about the Insta360 Flow 2, a compact feature-packed gimbal camera that aims to make content creation smoother, smarter, and more creative than ever. Insta360 is well known for its innovative approach to cameras, and the Flow 2 builds on that legacy with a mix of portability, AI-powered features, and rock-solid stabilization. The first thing you notice when picking up the Flow 2 is how compact it is. Folded down, it's small enough to slip into a bag or even a large pocket, making it a perfect travel companion. The build feels sturdy and premium, with smooth joints and a reassuring weight that tells you it's built to last. Despite its portability, it doesn't feel flimsy, and the handle design gives a secure grip even during long shooting sessions. Once you unfold it, the Flow 2 comes alive with its 3-axis stabilization system. Whether you're walking, running, or panning for a cinematic shot, it keeps footage smooth and jitter-free. The motors are quiet and responsive, and the gimbal reacts instantly to movement, which is crucial for capturing action shots or dynamic vlogs. One of the Flow 2's biggest strengths is its AI tracking. Using Insta360's updated DeepTrack 3.0 system, it can follow subjects smoothly, even when they move quickly or get briefly obstructed. You can tap on a subject in the app, and the gimbal will lock on, keeping them centered in the frame while you focus on your creativity. It works for people, pets, and even vehicles. The Flow 2 also integrates a telescopic selfie stick and a built-in tripod. That means you can set it down for static shots, extend it for group selfies, or use it for dynamic angles without carrying extra gear. It's an all-in-one setup for creators who need flexibility on the go. On the camera control side, the Flow 2 pairs with your smartphone via the Insta360 app. The app is well designed, giving you full manual controls, shooting modes, and editing tools right on your phone. There are presets for slow motion, time-lapse, hyperlapse, and cinematic panning shots. And thanks to AI-powered scene detection, the app can even recommend settings based on what you're shooting. Battery life is strong for such a compact device, giving you up to 12 hours of use on a single charge. That's more than enough for a full day of filming without worrying about running out of power. Charging is done via USB-C, and you can even use the Flow 2 as a power bank to top up your phone in a pinch. In terms of performance, the Flow 2 is impressively stable even in windy conditions or when moving over uneven terrain. Paired with its portability, it's an ideal choice for travel vloggers, social media creators, and even casual users who just want better-looking videos. Price-wise, it's positioned competitively against other smartphone gimbals, especially considering the built-in tripod, selfie stick AI tracking, and long battery life. While it's slightly more expensive than basic stabilizers, the added features make it a better long-term investment. Pros include excellent stabilization, compact and portable design, built-in tripod and selfie stick, AI tracking that works flawlessly, and long battery life. Cons might be that advanced features require the app, and some might prefer a dedicated camera instead of a smartphone setup. Final verdict: the Insta360 Flow 2 is a versatile, all-in-one gimbal solution that's perfect for creators on the move. It blends stability, AI smarts, and thoughtful design into a device that's as easy to carry as it is fun to use. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest uploads.